First, add a tablespoon of sugar and a tablespoon of instant yeast to the bowl and mix with a glass of lukewarm water. Well, when we stir, we cover it with a cellophane and let it rest for a while until the yeast is formed. Put 2 eggs in a bowl. Add 100 grams of sugar and 4 tablespoons of yogurt, along with 100 grams of melted butter and the dough liquid we made before. If you have not subscribed yet, be sure to subscribe and turn on the bell next to it so you do not miss the next tutorial. Then mix them well with a hand mixer. Then it is time to add flour. We have 500 grams of flour and we add it twice to form our dough. Now that our dough is formed, we knead it a little on a flat surface to turn it into a soft dough that does not stick to the hands or the container. We put our dough in a bowl and cover it with a cellophane so that it rests and swells for about an hour and a half. After it puffs, knead it to reduce the puff a little and divide it into 80 grams pieces. For the middle ingredients of the cookies, you can use anything you like, from pistachio nuts, almonds, walnuts and anything you like. We ground a few walnuts and mixed them with cinnamon and cardamom and a spoonful of rose and saffron. To add the middle ingredients, flatten the 80 grams pieces and pour the middle ingredients between. And make it the previous shape and smooth it a little. Then we put them in the oven tray and brew an egg with a little saffron and mix it on them. Put them in the oven at 180 degrees for about 20 to 25 minutes to be ready. If you have not subscribed yet, be sure to subscribe and turn on the bell next to it so you do not miss the next tutorials.